Hey, welcome back. Let me turn this camera around. So I'm sure a lot of you have a bin full of used drill bits. Here I've got tons and tons of drill bits. Not counting the ones I've thrown away. Okay. So what is this video about, right? You're asking yourself. Well, today I'm going to show you how to, restore these. Make them new again. For instance, this one, right? Look at this. Rusty all over the place. So not only is it rusty, but it has been used. And yeah, they end up here. This one as well. Yeah. Another good point. Yeah. Actually, we'll take this one. This one looks a little more beat up than that one because of that. Who knows what's going on with that. Anyways, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to show you how to restore these. Okay? So, first things first, we're going to go over to the trash bin. This is where all the fun stuff ends up. So in this case, I'm going to use a PB Blaster. I'm just going to put some on here, and I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Okay? Why so long? I like it like that. Let it soak in there and do its thing. Alright, I'm inside my mobile unit. I'm gonna put a nice edge on her now. Using a 1x32 with a 300 grit belt. Worn off already. This thing is very, very polished and extremely sharp. And there you go. I just restored a drill bit that was rusty and had damaged, and now it's ready for a new life. And before I end this video, let's go test this. So this is for woodworking. I don't know if you can use it for sheet metal, but probably could. As long as I didn't ruin the temper, she'll dig right in. So there we have it. Quick way to restore those old drill bits. On to the next project we go. It might be something like this. Take care.